Oh YouTube, thank you for tuning in at The Dutch Guy, and today I will be doing an unboxing video of the Real Shot assault rifle. Now I know what you're thinking, right? It's 2017, we just had the launch of the Nintendo Switch, so why in the world would you do a unboxing of a Wii accessory part, or better yet, the gun and an awesome game included? Well, in my humble opinion right now, it's the time to collect for the Wii. The prices are dropping really low, and if you're really serious about completing your collection for the Wii, you better start buying. So without further ado, let's go into the unboxing footage. Knife, camera, action. Right, the assault rifle for the Wii. It's actually a plastic cover-up for your Wii remote and nunchuck. And it comes with the game Marines Modern Urban Combat included. Let's start by showing you some angles. Up top, the logo for the game. It's for the Wii, obviously. And it's got a cool carrying case effect with a handle above. Show it in the front. Back is pretty much the same. And the bottom. Not much to write home about. And it's rocking the slipcover, which I really like. Much better than other packages where you use the knife and you kind of have to work around the box, remove all these stickers and plastic and whatnot. So front and back is the same. Real Shot assault rifle. Let's open up this bad boy. Pretty fancy packaging, you know. Oh. We've got the game, sealed and all. God. So 1 year limited warranty card. And the assault rifle manual. Next up, we got the gun stock. I think you have to attach it to the back of the gun. Again, great packaging, no loose items, no twist ties, you know, onto the gun itself. Right, so this is the gun. This is where the Wii remote goes into. This is for the cables. And this is where the nunchuck is going. It's got some clicky to it. 2 front-facing buttons. It actually got a speaker, which I'll show you in a second. So the stock goes in the back. Twist lock it. And to complete the look, we've actually got something that looks like a silencer. And there you have it, the complete Real Shot assault rifle. So like I said, to operate the gun sound effect, you simply open up the battery compartment into the bullet stock, insert 3 AAA batteries, close the lid, press the button, And now you have the super ultra realistic gun sound. So I want to thank you all for watching this unboxing video. I'm going to do a lot more tech videos in the future. And you know what? Stay tuned and have fun. Take care. DeDutchGuy signing out. Peace. And you simply press the button for sound, and